Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Fine, sir.
Okay, good.
हॅलो, पोपुलवार मॅडम. हॅलो.
बोला मॅडम.
मी ना बॅकग्राऊंड चेंज करते, जरा सांगा बरं कोणतं चांगलं दिसतं. आणि 11ला एक्झॅक्ट सुरू करायचं आहे ना?
येस. चेंज करा.
हा, चेंज करू
ना मॅडम. EGA नाही आहे का? EGA
नाही, माझ्याकडे नाही आहे मॅडम.
ते जे सी शोर वाला होतं ना मॅडम, ते जास्त चांगलं दिसत होतं.
हो का? ठीक आहे. आणि बसल्या बसल्या काय आता वेळ आहे आपल्याकडे, तर करू एक काहीतरी, आहे की नाही? सी शोर वाला हे
पॉप्युलर मॅडम. सर
येस.
जॉईन झाले ना?
नाही, सर अजून जॉईन नाही झालेले.
नाही झाले. पण ते असं मागे हालत वगैरे नाही आहे ना?
नाही, अजिबात नाही. इट्स लुकिंग गुड.
ठीक आहे. मग सर वगैरे जॉईन व्हायची वाट पाहावी लागेल ना?
होत आहे जॉईन.
गुड मॉर्निंग नानोटी सर.
झाले का?
येस.
ओके. मॅडम मला सांगा कधी सुरू करायचं, बिकॉज माझं तर 10:59 झालेलं आहे माझ्या इथे, म्हणून.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Wagre sir. Good morning, Nanoti sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Namaskar. Virtually भेटतो आहे.
Yeah.
Thank you. We can wait for 2-3 minutes. I guess it's 10:58.
10:59. Okay.
Yes. You can wait for 2-3 minutes. Yes.
Yeah. Madam, should we start or should we wait?
शालिनी मैम, प्रोग्राम शुरू करते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Let the people join afterwards.
Yeah.
Because we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, one and all. In the warm and pleasant morning of World Environment Day, I, Mrs. Swapna Ghatole, Assistant Professor, Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, welcome you all. The event is one-day workshop and online competition on ecosystem restoration. Paryavaran Divas, as it is on the eve of World Environment Day, तो धरती का आवरण बचाए, आओ पर्यावरण बचाए, हरे भरे पौधों को लगाकर पृथ्वी को दुल्हन सा सजाए, जहां हर प्राणी चैन से रह पाए, सभी मिलकर विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस मनाएं. A very good morning to everyone. This event is jointly organized by Department of Biochemistry of Seth Kesrimal Porwal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Kamptee, and Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, under the international project of EGEA. I give my sincere thanks to Mr. Sunil Porwal, President, Shikshak Prasarak Mandal, Seth Kesrimal Porwal College, to provide us a platform for jointly organization of the program Ecosystem Restoration on a very nice day of World Environment Day. It is my pleasure to welcome Dr. M.B. Bagde, Principal, SKP College, Kamptee, and Dr. V.M. Nanoti, Principal, PIET, Project and also Project Convener of EGEA under the European Union. My warm salutations to Dr. Renu Tiwari, Vice Principal, SKP Kamptee College, Dr. Ragini Chahande, Head Biochemistry Department. I welcome all the faculties and the students who are attending the program online and making it a successful event. I would also welcome and appreciate all our students and the students of SKP College who are participating in this event in large number, and they are happily and untiringly working for the success of the event. I would like to give my greetings to Dr. Manju Soni, Head Biotechnology Department, PIET College, and Project Coordinator, EGEA Forum. I would also like to welcome Dr. A.P. Kopulwar, Dr. Vivek Bhange, and my other colleagues of PIET College who have forwarded a hand for organization of this program. I would like to welcome now Dr. Manju Soni, Project Coordinator, EGEA, to give us idea about EGEA. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Supna Madam. Thank you so much. Very warm greetings on the day of World Environmental Day, and very warm greetings from all of my team members, EGEA. On the onset, first, I would like to thank the management, Porwal College Kamptee, for giving us opportunity on the occasion of this day to conduct this program under the banner of EGEA, the project under which we are conducting this activity. I just would like to brief this project is about the green economy concept, and this is a European funded project, and the man behind this project is Dr. Vivek Nanoti, who has received the grant of rupees 60 lakhs to work on the beautiful concept of green economy. The concept is to spread the awareness of green economy in the society through higher education system. And this project is totally European funded. We are total number of 16 partners. We are working together on this concept, out of which 5 are our European mentors who are from Germany, Cyprus, Latvia, and they are from Norway, Switzerland. The leader is from Switzerland. So we are totally working on the concept of this green economy, which has different work packages. It's divided into various work packages. And from last 2 years, we are working on this project. We have 3 Asian partners, Nepal, Kyrgyzstan, and India. And in India, we are associated with TIS, Tata Institute of Social Science, who are giants in the field of academics and very much into the field of sustainable development, and a lovely university. So basically, this project is 3-year project. We already have completed 2 years, and due to pandemic, the work has been halted. But we have continued with the online programs. So the first work package one, we did lot of analysis part on the green concept, green content of the syllabus. So we did lot of survey analysis, and on that basis, we have developed some green economy modules based on the waste management concept. It is on green economy, it is on law and environmental law and governance. So there are total 6 number of modules which we have developed by PIT team members, and rest of the modules, there are total 15 modules which will be given by the European mentors. So these modules are of 120 hours certified courses which are totally on the which are developed by the European mentors and on the basis of Bologna. So it is totally at par with the European system. So this certified courses will be very beneficial to the students of this central region. And second unique part of this project is we have established a green lab, which is a well-equipped lab where we are going to launch these online courses and even offline. So these courses will be available to all the students from this region. And the certified courses are free of cost for 2 years, and then maybe have some little charges. But these certified courses will be definitely useful for the student who will pursue their higher education in abroad, where these certified courses have a lot of weightages in the terms of credits. They give credits to European accredited courses. So these courses will be definitely beneficiaries. And I would like the Porval College Committee to get associated with this project so that your students will be benefited. And the second part of this is dissemination, which we are doing with a lot of colleges. We are associated with green clubs. We are associated with the some schools where we are conducting this program under this banner, and definitely by percolating the green behavior and green economic concept in the society is our main aim. So I request the Porval College Committee to get associated with through your green clubs to our project. So definitely we will achieve this our mission in the region, central region of the Vidarbha. So this is all about the EGA project. I'm extremely thankful Shalini Chahande madam to take initiative to do this program, and we get a good overwhelming response to the students who are very much concerned about the ecosystem and restoration concept. So on this day, we really congratulate all the students who have participated in this program. So thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for throwing light on EGEA and the idea about EGEA project. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. M.B. Bagde, Principal, Seth Kesrimal Porval College, to give his inaugural address. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, all of you.
Morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all the organizers of Priyadarshini Institute of Technology and Porval College who have organized this event in a very nice way. So once again, I congratulate them. Secondly, I am very thankful to Priyadarshini Institute of Technology Management and Principal Dr. Vivek Nanoti sir for involving us in this activity. We are very happy because our college, it is in the rural area, and our students, they should get the exposure. So definitely we will join, our college will join your EGA program, and our student may get benefited by that issue. Now, today is World Environment Day. And you can say more than 100 countries, they are celebrating this day on this 5th June. Now, the idea behind this is to spread the awareness or to make the people aware about the environment. Environment protection, it is just not the plantation. That by plantation, we can increase the green cover. But at the same time, here, the people should think or they should control the deforestation. At the same time, they should know the waste management, because there are so many things which are released to the environment, and they are the environment is polluting. So by that, there will be the degradation in the quality of the environment. So particularly the teacher community, they should spread this message among the students, because this is a very slow phenomena, and in the next generation we will see the effect of this. So that's why here we should make the awareness in the students about the environment protection. So in this environment protection, you can say the disposal of the plastics, or you can say other non-degradable substances or matter, that should be in the proper way. At the same time, the medical waste, that should be also disposed in a very proper way, otherwise that will cause a lot of issues in the environment. And because of that, the total ecosystem, not only the human beings, animal beings, plant, just the entire ecosystem, it gets disturbed. And when ecosystem is changed, or when there is any harm to the ecosystem, then the natural calamities that occurs. And ultimately, the human beings, animal beings, they have to face this problem of natural calamity like tsunami, or you can say other cyclones and all that things. So here we should make the people aware about the environment protection. Now here, the environment protection, it is not just you can say the issue of you can say the urban areas or in the village areas. So it should be in the entire thing. Every individual should inculcate these values. And nowadays the government is also trying to introduce the environmental science courses at the UG level and PG level also. So that is a very good step, and here some awareness will be there among the students. Actually, this awareness, it should be from the, you can say, childhood. Only it will be, it will bear the good fruits. So here, it is the responsibility of every individual, and in that, the teachers, they have more responsibility, because one teacher, it guides number of students. In his class, around 100 students are there in every class. So out of 100, suppose 50% they are positive about this. So the lot of work will be done by the teachers. So I request all the teachers, rather you can say teacher community, to make the student aware about the environmental protection, environmental, you can say, conservation of all the things, and the proper disposal. The most important thing, the proper disposal of the waste. Everybody cannot plant the trees. In the urban areas, there is no space available. In flat scheme, there is no such facility available. But one thing we can do on the contrary, that we should manage the waste disposal. That will also protect the environment. So this is my humble appeal to all the stakeholders, all the participants. Please spread this message among the society and make the society aware about this thing, so that our environment, it will be clean and green. So the green environment, it gives very pleasant, you can say, ideas, or it will be very pleasant mind. So this will give a very good future to the next generation. Now, apart from this, I would like to thank all the participants who have joined this program, who have joined this workshop. And after this first session, there will be the second session of, you can say, competition, online competition. So all the students, they are also requested to join that competition. And with this, I declare this workshop is inaugurated. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for guiding us and students both on how we should have restoration on ecosystem and environment protection. Now, I would like to call Dr. Shalini Sahande ma'am to give us introduction of Dr. V.M. Nanoti, Principal PIET College, orator at PAR and researcher who will help us to give the importance of green technology and skills COVID perspective. Welcome, Dr. Shalini Sahande ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you, all of you, for giving me this opportunity to introduce such a man of excellence, Dr. Vivek Nanoti sir, who is a renowned academician, administrator, and management guru. Presently working as the principal of Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, and is Senate member of RTM Nagpur University from 2018 to 22. He has completed his PhD in physics in 1996 under the sponsorship of Department of Atomic Energy Commission, DAE, at DARC Mumbai from Nagpur University. Sir has 30 years of very rich experience of teaching, research, and administration. His area of specialization research is material science, nanomagnetic materials, soft ferrites, and hexaferrites. Sir has published and presented around 140 research papers and guided 12 students for their doctoral research. Sir has received the Most Promising Engineering College Teacher Award in 2005, Bharat Jyoti Award in 2012 for Excellence in Education and Research, and National Award Outstanding Academic Leader of 2019. He has visited several countries that include Scotland, England, Portugal, Israel, Germany, France, Belgium, Istanbul, Netherlands, Malaysia, Singapore, Poland, Dubai, Nepal, and Russia for the academic purposes. He is currently heading 3 international projects on social entrepreneurs, green economy, and fake news, total worth rupees 1.2 crores. He was the National Executive Council member of ISTE during 2012 to 14, Secretary cum Treasurer of ISTE Maharashtra Goa section during 2003 to 2005 and 2009 to 2011, and editor ISTE Maharashtra Goa section newsletter during 2003 to 2011. He was Vice Chair IEE Nagpur section subsection 2020. He also worked as Editor-in-Chief for International Journal of Knowledge Engineering. He holds membership of various professional bodies such as ISTE, IEEE, IAPT, ISCA, MRSI, STAMI, VIA, VMA, etc. He has delivered more than 2,000 guest lectures on topics such as nanotechnology, communication skills, nanomaterials, research methodology, pedagogy, teaching as rewarding career, NEP 2020, lifelong learning, goal setting, stress management, time management, education technology, self-branding, green economy, social entrepreneurship, fuel cells, and knowledge-based learning for faculty and students. During the pandemic lockdown, he has delivered around 250 webinars in the last 11 months, attended by 38,000 plus participants from 26 different countries and 30 plus cities in India on 55 different topics to various sectors of the society. So I welcome such a dynamic personality to deliver his talk.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Shalini Sahande ma'am, for, am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So thanks a lot for an elaborate introduction. Very good morning to everyone present in this virtual auditorium. Honorable Principal, the renowned academician and administrator, Dr. Mahendra Bagade sir, Principal, Porwal College, a very renowned name in the education. Vice Principal, Dr. Renu Tiwari ma'am. Coordinator and Head Biotech, Dr. Shalini Sahande ma'am. Our Head of the Department and Project Coordinator, Dr. Manju Soni ma'am. My EGEA team, Enhancing Green Economy in Asian Countries, team members, the anchor for today's Master of Ceremony of today's program, Mrs. Swapna Ghatole madam, other faculty members, sitting in this virtual auditorium, dear students and faculty members. A very warm welcome to this session on the very auspicious occasion of World Environment Day. Very rightly pointed out a great start by Bagde sir that yes, it is not about going green, it is not about planting trees, but it is a multifaceted and a complex phenomena. It is absolutely complex phenomena. There are so many issues. Waste management, medical waste management, as he has very rightly pointed out, electronic waste, and there are series and series. Every production has to be green. The manufacturing has to be green. The buildings have to be green. The construction should be green. Green and green. Wherever, whatever technology, whatever skills, whatever education, whatever kind of business proposal, it should have green tick mark on it. If that is there, then we can talk about that. Like today's green world environment theme is reimagine, restore, and recreate. Yes, reimagining. We need to reimagine, restore, and recreate the entire thing, and then we can save this world. Otherwise, we are seeing the pathetic side effects of what luxuries we are enjoying. So, dear teachers, yes, my entire college is on solar. So we are using purely green energy. So every institution, every individual should start thinking on at least this. And if we can make people aware and make people think on this serious issue, and then that is the very purpose of celebrating, marking such important day like Biodiversity Day. We just now celebrated World Environment Day, Environment Day. So all these days are specifically mean to create awareness and to implement also. And then implementation is the best, important, and most difficult also. I'll share my presentation, just one sec. So basically, I'm going to focus today on, we being engineering college, so green engineering, green technologies, and green skills. Is this visible now? This is, my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
Yeah,
is
fine,
visible.
fine.
Yes, sir.
Green engineering, green skills, and green technology. And then everyone, every aspect in this world now has an extra red tagline, which my presentation also has got, that is post-COVID-19 perspective. You may be teacher, student, manufacturer, mobile communication, hotel industry, tourism, vehicle, whatever you are, IT industry for that matter, education, music, catering, hotel, hospitality. There is a tag now. There are special 2 stars everywhere, red tags, post-COVID perspective. Everything and anything, the meaning, the purpose, the process, the methods, the procedures has changed tremendously because of COVID. So it was before March 2020, and after that, there will be always a difference in the thought process. So dear teachers, it is about green technologies and green skills. Dear students, whatever field you belong to, you can be a science graduate, engineering graduate, pharmacy graduate, you can be anything. But you will be concerned with one or other green technology, and the list is very long. Technologies, fine. Industry has gone to 4th revolution. Artificial intelligence, data science, big data, Hadoop, and then 3D printing, 3D technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning. 4th revolution of industry is talking about all these things, dear teachers, dear students. So you are going to be part of this, either global employee or a global entrepreneur. Nobody is going to be local. This laptop which we are working on, this virtual platforms we are using, we are global now. This same session can be attended by any number of people sitting in any part of this globe. And that is an amazing beauty, the blessing in disguise of, going online. Wastewater treatment, yes. The biggest issue. We have been listening to Nag Nala, and boat se hum jayenge Nag Nale mein baith ke, in Nagpur I'm talking about. So we will, from one end to other end of the Nagpur, we will, flow, we will, be doing boating. Tremendously difficult task. Wastewater treatment, horrible task. So Nagpur has got some 3, 4, 5 lakes, and cleaning of those lakes, we know what a difficult task it is. We have been committed, corporation, government, everybody is committing for last so many years. and we still see the scene and take the photographs. Many newspapers are coming up with the photographs these days. Just to understand, to give the feeling, it is not only government, it is not only corporation, it is every individual of the city. If you really want to see pure, treated water, then it is everybody's responsibility. Elimination of industrial emissions. You inhale, I stay in Swalambinagar, you inhale in Pratapnagar and you inhale in the midst of MIDC. You inhale, you have a special smell when you go to Koradi. Huge emission, huge industrial emission, tremendous smoke. What you are going to do? What is the treatment for that entire smoke? Just making holes into our ozone layer, that's it? And spoiling the environment and creating a bad climate, weather condition and atmosphere for our next generation. That is what we are doing. Recycling of waste management. These are all technologies, dear students. Recycling of waste, self-sufficient buildings. Yes. Self-sufficient building. Building should not be using all the time, hundreds of LED lights, air conditioning units and everything. No. Building should be constructed with under the treatment, under the fundamental international policies of construction, green constructions. Natural light, natural air, natural coolness, natural warmth. You need to have buildings designed in a way wherein you need not switch on the lights and fans in the daytime. Even in Nagpur, there can be the designs to self-sufficient buildings. Every energy used should be recyclable. It should be renewable energy resources and not the MSCB lights and not the coal energy. No. How many years you are going to use that coal energy? It will be exhausted. Western Coalfield Mine, so many coal mines are exhausted, out of stock of their coals. Entire Dubai, I had been to Dubai last year and they said Dubai has hardly any stock of crude oil. They have exhausted everything what they had and now they are 100% dependent on Abu Dhabi. Because Abu Dhabi is still containing stock of 85% of crude oil. But this will get exhausted, dear students. It's our responsibility. Waste to energy. Waste to energy. There are ways, means, procedures, technologies, skills by which energy can be produced from waste. I have visited, 2019, I visited to Herzliya, Israel. I'm working with 5 important universities in Israel, so I keep frequently visiting to Israel institutions. Waste to energy. So I have visited world's biggest plant. It is located near Herzliya city in Israel. The important point which I want to stress upon today is waste to energy. When I saw there, I saw so many kids moving around. And I asked the coordinator over there, I said, why so many kids? They were college students in uniform. They were school kids of primary schools. They were in uniform and they were in hundreds. I said, this waste management to energy plant, why kids are there? They say this is a compulsory part from our government. Students should see how the tons and tons of waste we mankind are producing. What are the tons and tons of trucks of plastic waste we are creating and generating? Let students get educated. Right from the childhood, if we educate, right? There are compulsory 1 or 2 days, I guess, to every school to visit to that waste to energy plant. They have amazing coffee plants. Then the spot is amazing. It's an absolute learning experience there. There are PowerPoints going on. There are models kept. There are beautiful hands-on experiments on green technologies which are being taken place there. Teachers are teaching. Students are there right on the venue. Is something I really felt that India also should arrange such trips. They are not industrial trips. They are compulsory weekly trips to those places. And there were big, huge open air classrooms wherein students were learning about environment. Students were learning about the importance of converting waste into energy, the technologies, the concept, the procedure, the processes, the approach. The concept waste to energy plant was flooded with kids, with students. This is something. Israel is amazing. I mean, daily we are looking at Israel to bahut paper mein aa raha hai roj. But Israel, I visited and I found 3 important things in Israel. They are uncomparable. Their defense, amazing defense they have. Defense strategies, defense structure and different technologies. So defense is amazing. Second, agrotech, agriculture, amazing organic farming and technology, intervention into the agriculture. And third thing which I went there for collaborations is entrepreneurship. It is about entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship they promote. If there is a class of postgraduate program of entrepreneurship, 60 students, all 60 will run their own business. They will never go think of even employment. They will be employers. I mean, that is the commitment in the education which we see into some of the countries. We really need to learn from them. So generation of energy from waves, vehicles that do not emit gases, a topic close to my heart, electric vehicles. Mahindra in India has already been started a big way creating electric vehicles. There are very small 2 companies in India who create electric mopeds. But Toyota, Honda, and the world leader in electric vehicle is Tesla. So Tesla, Toyota, and Honda cars are already in market with their charging units available. They can run 400 kilometers once they are charged. They're running on fuel cells. So, next generation technologies are coming up, which are not at all dependent on these traditional energy producing concepts. We have to get away from this petrol, diesel, coal. These are going to get exhausted. They'll be 10 times costlier once they will start getting exhausted. India cannot afford, it will not be able to afford. So we need to create our own resources. That is something where we want to encourage, we want to make students learn, we want to make everyone alert about their usage of energy. Which source? What can I do I am a physicist. What can I do? I am a chemist. What way I can contribute? I am a zoologist, botanist. I am an economist. My last trip to Europe, we were into economics department of Warsaw, exclusively understand and get training on green economy, how economy gets governed with the help of going green. If you have a green technology, green waste, green cells, green buildings, green schools, green colleges, if you have an amazing, sturdy and robust waste management system in the country, what way it will influence the economy of this world is something which is to be learned. Harnessing solar energies, vertical gardens. If you go to Gulf, they are coming up with a lot of vertical gardens, the roadside. Even in Israel, I found a lot of vertical gardens across the road and farms. Natural gas boilers, green burial. Countries are opting green burial. Means the person is not green when he is alive. He is not following green technologies, green behavior. He is not advocating green when he is alive, but after his death also. His burial, the very graveyard is made green. So green burial. When, the coffins are made specially. The arrangements, the chemicals, the things are, clubbed with the dead body so that they will not create any pollution to the earth, any harm to the environment. Is the thought process countries are going with. Better lighting, LEDs, dear teachers, dear students, LEDs. Light emitting diodes have changed the world's entire lighting and illumination technologies. Overall, that light, I'm sitting in my house, it is LED. The screen which we are using is LED. The entire lighting, the big music shows and concerts and gatherings which students have in their colleges, backdrops are LEDs. So they were CFL, but CFL were found poisonous. Earlier, we used to have that typical filament bulb, yellow filament bulb, and tube lights, the big tube lights. But the tube lights and filament bulbs were gone, and we came up with sudden big way CFL bulbs came into picture, and they said this illumination is equivalent to 3 tube lights. So to replace all tube lights with the CFL, and soon we got to know that CFL are not environment friendly. And hence then LED came a big way. It changed the entire definition of illumination and lighting industry. So start using LED. They are so economical. Batteries. Then other source of energy is battery. Batteries have to be green. Fuel cells have to be used. Reuse, recycle. The concept should be very well promoted while preparing and manufacturing the batteries. Drought-tolerant crops. Drought-tolerant crops. Dear teachers, see the concepts. I'm just giving the long list of green technologies which is being used in the entire world, and world is getting benefited by all this. Green construction. Just now I was discussing green buildings, green construction. You have to take care that all the time when there is light outside, there has to be light inside the building also. You should not use the artificial lighting during daytime. As long as there is a cool weather outside, you inside the building also, you should be made available that cool weather. The design of the building, design of the roofs, design of the window panes and doors are to be green. Huge challenges to architects. Amazing, amazing designs and huge challenge to the imagination of new forthcoming architects and civil engineers. Outstanding technologies can come up. Widespread compositing. Yes, compost is something which is like you can see the picture on the screen. What are green skills then? What are green skills? These are green technologies. Like we have made a list of 16 important green technologies. These are green technologies. But to make happen these green technologies work, you need to have green skills. Green skills are those skills needed to adopt processes, services, and products. Entire thing. Processes, manufacturing, raw material. It starts with raw material, processes, procedures, methodologies, product, services, and once that product is useless, its disposal. This entire cycle has to be green, and these skills which are required here to create a complete green technology concept, those skills will be called as green skills. Green skills. They should support climate. They should be helpful to environment, and they will include knowledge, abilities, values, and attitudes needed to live in a develop and support of sustainable. All those words which are very important. I want that everyone who is listening to me should read. They are into different colors. So sustainable and resource efficient society, dear students. We cannot have a quick solutions on anything. कचरा डाल दिया ले लो. Sorry. कचरा डाल दिया किसी ने उठा लो. Can कचरा उठाना be solution? Somebody has created a garbage in front of his house. He has thrown an entire dustbin out of his house on the roadsides. Picking up that kachra, is it a solution for it? No. That's why we see huge dump yards and garbage yards. Horrible. You cannot go near even half a kilometer away from, you can smell that bad smell from there. Dear students, we are for this. We really are looking forward for knowledge, abilities, values, attitudes into the society, into the every individual, wherein people must then now create everything green. That, the climate resilient cities. Climate resilient cities, yes. Nagpur is also super polluted these days. So dear students, dear teachers, the green skills are the skills which are required to generate the entire scene of green production, green manufacturing, green buildings, green constructions, which the skills required for all these green technologies are called as green. Green growth, we have to, inclusive green growth, yes. Inclusive is something which everyone is looking forward for these days. Education has to be inclusive. Knowledge-based education with innovation component as a compulsion under it is to be inclusive. So inclusiveness is something which makes the entire process worthwhile. So green growth can be there, but it should be an inclusive green growth paradigm. Dear teachers, let us concentrate on it. Green economy in India, yes. Unless you go green, economy cannot develop. The green economy, we all are education partners, right? We are stakeholders. Everyone in this virtual room, they are education stakeholders. Either you are a student, management, administrator, teacher. We are all stakeholders of education, and we are struggling hard. National education policy, new education policy says 4% of GDP, and we are struggling hard on 0.2% of GDP because economy has not at all supporting to the biggest cause of the country, that is education. इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है तो एजुकेशन है, और वो एजुकेशन ही काम नहीं हो रहा है. 0.2%, 0.4%, 0.3%, at certain states 0.1%, at certain sectors 0.6%. 1% भी जब तक जीडीपी का फंडिंग पंप नहीं हो रहा एजुकेशन को, तो how we are going to think of a global education to provide within India? Obviously students will run after this country, run out of this country, may work out of this country and stay permanently or leave this country as they become richer into the countries outside India. So economics is something which is so important, and economics is very well dependent. Green economy in India is a subject to think. 5 impact sectors key to green economy transition in India are agriculture, construction, power, manufacturing, and transport and tourism. Dear students, I just want to tell you one thing. Let me check. Whatever questions you feel like asking during my presentation on any of the slides, please keep asking questions. I am writing hello here into chat. So I should start chat. You know, you cannot interact. Had it been मैं पोरवाल कॉलेज में खुद आता था और तो बहुत मजा आता था, डिस्कस होता था, हमारा 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन होता था, मैं पूरे ऑडिटोरियम में घूम सकता था. But dear students, dear teachers, please start writing whatever you feel. You have any suggestions, you have any questions, you have any queries, you want to say something on that point and agenda, just start writing on into the chat box so that I can reply. It's learning for me also, right? So let us start writing. Write down one thing you do to be going green. What way you go green? Write down one thing. I want everyone. I could see 79 participants in the audience. Write down one thing. आप गीला सूखा कचरा भी अलग करके डालते हो. आपके घर में 2 डस्टबिन है, गीला और सूखा, और वो सेपरेटली कचरे वाले के डब्बे में जाता है. इज अ बिग कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द एनवायरनमेंट. अगर उतना भी कर लेते हो, नहीं हो रहा है. After a lot of education, a lot of educating to the people who are doing this job, but they are not doing. My college is 100% solar energy. That I am writing solar. So solar is one thing. So write down, all of you, all those who are listening. See, I'll be talking some 15-20 minutes more. But dear students, I want you to interact. Teachers, please start writing one thing which you feel you can do. Green technology, green manufacturing. We are not architects. We are not civil engineers. We are not, funding agencies that we can create the entire setup. छोटा-छोटा हम कुछ कर सकते हैं. Awareness about health, awareness about hygiene, awareness about the environmental disastrous side effects on our health. इसके लिए भी आपने awareness करके दे दिया, बच्चों को बता दिया कि ये अच्छा है और ये खराब है. Importance of organic food, importance of organic farming, anything and everything which supports environment. Please start writing one word into chats. I'll see this chat after some time so that we can all discuss on this issue, right? So we can expect, like, if you write something that this is what you want to do, this is everybody should do. So write down one suggestions, one thing. Cycling, yes. Reducing use of plastic bags. Aditya, very true. Aditya Gajvi has given a thing like stop use of plastic. Baba, 5,000 rupees fine दिया था जब शुरू किया था, पर उसके बाद खत्म हो गया. Stop using petrol and diesel vehicles. Cycle. Tushar Chaudhary is saying cycling. So we got only 2 suggestions. Come on, I want more of them. So Aditya and Tushar, thank you so much for starting. किसी को भी start करने बोलो ना, raise the hands. So people will not raise hands. So start writing one word on it, and then cycling is one thing. Reducing use of plastic, because we need to commit today. ऐसे भाषण सुन के और ऐसे पोस्टर पे इवेंट करके नहीं होने वाला है. जब तक मेरे को यहाँ नहीं लग रहा ना, मेरे को नहीं जम रहा. ग्रोइंग ट्रीज मोर एंड मोर. यस जन्नत, थैंक यू सो मच. प्लांट ट्री यार, तुम्हारे लिए काम पे नहीं आएगा, तुम्हारे 25 साल बाद तुम्हारे पोतों के लिए काम में आएगा. योर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन विल यूज. प्रिया शर्मा इज राइटिंग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. यस. Why a separate car and vehicle every day? Do not burn waste on gate. Yes. Rehan, yes, I could get it. Proper use of chemical fertilizers. Yes. See, I mean, we are getting a lot of suggestions right here in the chat room. Chat itself is going to be a very rich thing to understand, to ponder upon, to brainstorm. Recycling. Akanksha is saying recycling. Come on. So Akanksha, Namra, Rehan, Priya, Vanshika, Priya, and what? Jannat, Tushar, Aditya, they have already started part. Goldie, you say not only planting, also take care of trees. Yes, take care of trees. Some 4,000 trees, 40,000 trees are being cut in Nagpur. A lot of, agitations are going on. One of my very close friends, Green Vigil Foundation, they are fighting for it with corporation and government. Organic farming, Disha says organic farming. Neeta says use more paper bags. Yes, stop using those polythenes which are super hazardous and not at all degradable. We can't use these. I mean, these are something small things which we can support. These are life skills. ये जो हम लिख रहे हैं ना, recycling, cycling, using, these are life skills these days. Come on, thank you so much for writing. Anybody, if something you remember afterwards also, keep writing into it. Let us make it an interactive one. इससे ज़्यादा interactive हो नहीं सकता इसमें, है ना? Recycling of clothes, yes. Sachi, we have been doing this. We kept, we kept big bags. We have one, mission at our college. So we had used clothes. We collected used clothes from various flat schemes, and then we hired some poor ladies who needed an employment, and we converted. We washed all those clothes, used clothes, properly, sanitized them, and then we created cloth bags out of used clothes. We got hundreds of bed sheets out of market. Conserve water is saying Nivedita. Nivedita, you are very right. Unless you conserve water, you cannot talk about water. How you are gonna save water? And water is something which is so important. So conserve water, recycling of clothes, use more paper bags, organic farming, not only. See, thank you so much. Thank you, Chande madam. You have a great participants registered here because they are doing great. Reuse excess drinking water.
Thank you,
yes,
sir.
of course. Yes. So I'm very happy. Almost we got 25 suggestions. Use clean water, filtered water. Yes, clean water is something which is for an hygiene. Don't waste water is saying Ganga Bhavani. Yes, Ganga Bhavani, Diksha, Renuka, Nivedita, Sachi. Thank you, fantastic. Keep posting something यार. मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहा हूँ ना. मेरा छोटा वाला पॉइंट भी आप उसमें डाल सकते हो. आप सबको, हम सबको अगले 1 घंटे के अंतर्गत अगर हम थोड़े और अवेयर हो जाए ग्रीन के प्रति, तो मेरा आज का वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे वसूल हो गया. डोंट सेंड केमिकल्स इनटू आवर वाटरवेज. या हॉरिबल. बिंदास फेंक देते यार नाले में. आई कुड सी the posh localities in civil lines, Dharampet, Bardi, people are throwing garbage with pathetic medical waste directly into the Nagnala. What level of horrible chemicals they must be creating and level of pollution we cannot imagine. Water gates, don't waste natural source if not needed. Yes. Tasbiha, yes, Tasbiha, Saima, Ganga Bhavani, yes, Diksha, Renuka, thank you so much. Nivedita, what? Save electricity, yes. ठीक है, हम लोग सोलर नहीं यूज कर सकते ना, फाइन. सोलर नहीं कर रहे, पर भैया जो कोल का जो यूज कर रहे हैं, इफ यू आर यूजिंग MSAB, फाइन, यूज इट लेस, use it, optimize the use of that coal energy. It will be saved for tomorrow. So important point. Thank you so much, and I'll get back to my PowerPoint. Thank you so much. Keep posting, keep writing. I felt very good. Bagade sir, I'm very happy that students are doing amazing thing. So 5 important sectors: agriculture, construction, power, manufacture, and transport. And 85% of all our farmers in India are small scale and are marginal. कुछ भी नहीं है बाबा. जब India is an agriculture country, so what? 85% farmers are hand to mouth. Organic farming, people don't understand even what is organic farming. If you go to small villages, they say, oh, वो सब कोई रईस लोगों का काम है, सिटी वाले आते हैं, बहुत महंगा पड़ता है, मेंटेनेंस मुश्किल है. So they just blame and they don't even think of organic farming. So important point is organic farming sector. In India, it has been undergoing. 2015 Sikkim was named first fully organic state in the country. Sikkim was first fully organic state of the country. Fully organic. You need to aware farmers. You need to handhold them, propose them the schemes, make them understand the government schemes, the subsidies, and make them almost under compulsion to go for organic. Green energy. Yes. Read the last line. 2016, the world's largest solar plant was unveiled in Tamil Nadu with a capacity of 648 megawatt. World's largest solar plant. And we have so many things. By 2022, we will be reaching 175 gigawatts. 175 gigawatts ही पहुंच सक रहे हैं. And how much is that? Including all solar, wind, hydro, bioenergy and everything. Whatever we could see. Biogas, whatever. So solar, wind, hydro, bio, एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ मिला के हम कहां पहुंच रहे. 2022 का टारगेट था 175 गीगावाट की एनर्जी रिन्यूएबल renewable energy में मिलेगा, but that still counts to what 33% of the total energy capacity of country. Still 70% एनर्जी हमारी कोल, क्रूड ऑयल इसी पे चल रही है. ग्रीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन इंडिया इज स्टिल एट टेक ऑफ स्टेज. Green manufacturing in India is not at all well understood currently. While there have been significant policy development and adoptions, but green manufacturing अभी भी लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Lot of policies, lot of pollution control board norms are at stake. कोई follow नहीं करता है. It's not happening. So dear teachers, dear students, when you will be an employer, आप अपना खुद का business शुरू करिए. When आप कहीं employee बन जाओगे, तो then please see to it that you will, while there has been significant, so you know, sustainable growth करना है तो manufacturing भी green करना पड़ेगा. If it is sustainable growth, then manufacturing करना ही पड़ेगा. Green constructions, we have already talked about green constructions. What are they? It is so important. India is ranking 3rd in top 10 countries. कितना? कुछ लोग हैं. Tata, I always salute Tata because he is the first person to adopt anything. Tatas, Wipros, Azim Premji, these people are really, you know, they are the frontliners to save the country like India. So 40% Wipro is saving, Godrej is saving 63% energy. Model building bylaws are being created, but what can you do? You cannot do anything out of it. What are you doing out of it? You know, so these bylaws, these 2016 का mandate, ये नियम, ये pollution control board, organic farming, technology used into it, the purpose, the provisions, the mission, the goals. Who is going to educate people for all these things? So green constructions are really should be in green sense. I've already talked about it. Transports. What are transports? Cities like Delhi, Kanpur, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai and Mumbai are already labeled as what? 30 to 50% PM hai. Khatarnak hai. And NOx, you can imagine what is the level. You can test the smoke when you are driving on a two-wheeler in a Bangalore or Delhi. You drive for half an hour in the Delhi, Noida and Gurgaon side into Kanpur city, yes, into Bangalore. Horrible. Delhi has been already shifted to CNG years and years back, but still nothing is under control. It is going to be, it's there as one of the most polluted cities in the country. This is so horrible. Central Pollution Control Board, and I tell you, CPCB जो भी करा रहा है, ये जो city corporation and commissioners जो hand over कर रहे data उसके base पे है. But the data is also not correct. It depends on how many sensors, at what position, at which areas they are located, how frequently they are noting it down, and how the consolidation and statistical models of those databases are being provided to CPCB. The data depends on this. They say only Delhi, Kanpur, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai and Mumbai. I say Pune is horrible. I say Nagpur is horrible. I say there are many cities in Bihar, in UP, in Chhattisgarh. I have seen pathetic traffic problems and huge pollution, vehicle pollution is going on. Because these cities are modern cities, they are giving the right data, and hence we are talking these are the most polluted. There are seriously polluted than these cities also. There can be at least 15 more cities in this country which are havoc polluted. Now, what government is doing on? What is government's initiatives on this? Green skill development in India. GSDP is an initiative by government. They are targeting by 2022 400 million people to trained, to green skilled them. Green skill education will be imparted by GSDP to 400 million people on solar, on so many things. So dear teachers, understand the importance and create the awareness of all these courses. You can be a commerce student, botany, zoology, physics, chemistry, maths, arts, engineering, architecture, aap kuch bhi ho. You should, if you can have an additional green skill to your profile, you will be specially preferred. You can be a mentor into your own organization, telling your own expertise that, sorry, let us not do this. Sorry, these are do's, these are don'ts. I have done course in green skills. I am master in this. I am skilled with the green skills. You can tell that. So dear students, 5 lakh people by 2021 December is a target. And the goals are well set. National Determined Contribution, Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, National Biodiversity Targets, Waste Management Rules. These are all government policies by which we are looking forward for something which will be useful for society. So something which we can think on this day, on this World Environment Day, that yes, इतनी सारी green skill program हो रहे यार, मैंने क्यों नहीं कराया? Why not my students are doing 1 or 2 programs out of it? This duration, the last, these are the skill program: pollution monitoring, air, water, soil, sewage treatment plant, effluent treatment plants, common effluent treatment plants, waste management, forest management, water budgeting, auditing, energy auditing, water auditing, conservation of rivers, wildlife management, parataxonomy, biodiversity registers, mangroves conservation, bamboo management. Yes, huge courses, hundreds of courses are available. Go to GSDP plan, and whatever course suits you, let us commit today to join one at least course out of it. They start from 80 hours to 560 hours. 80 hours is nothing. If you can comfortably finish 80 hours course into next 1 month or so. दिन में 1 घंटा सुनना है यार, 2 घंटा. So you can complete. You can tell yourself that you are green skilled. You can be proud of. Your CV gets enriched. You will be preferred in the organizations when you will appear for interviews because you are green skilled. Green का बहुत importance है, dear teachers. So we need to understand now that this skilling is needed. Teachers should take commitment from students. Teachers should promote, find out good courses and tell them. And students also should Google. Go to GSDP, find out what are the courses. Can you do this? If 5 lakhs, the government is committed for 5 lakhs and 400 million by 2022, why not you can be one of them who will have their CVs enriched, who will have their chances of employability more. So please understand. Bamboos ke shirt milte yaar. They are amazing. Cotton and bamboo. 30% bamboo, 20% bamboo. Amazing shirts are available in bamboo. Bamboo has huge bamboo commission hai pura. हमने अगर उनकी skills ले लिए, तो then we will be called as green skilled. So dear students and dear teachers, let us commit that we'll use this. You can create, teachers can also create some small programs like one which we are doing. 1 day program, fine. But there is an awareness issue here. कुछ बच्चों के मन में लग जाएगा कि यार कुछ तो ग्रीन समझ लेते, होता क्या है ये सब. Now, सब कुछ है. और दुनिया के सारे फील्ड को जैसा एक कंडीशन सप्लाई लग गया, वैसा इसको भी लग गया पोस्ट कोविड. So I want to talk on post-COVID also because people, whenever I ask my students, my teachers, I ask people to do something and they will say, क्या पूरा लॉकडाउन तो है, ये नहीं जा सकते, बाहर नहीं जा सकते, वो ऐसा गड़बड़ है, मेरा वो तो डेटा पैक खत्म हो जाता है, मेरा तो वो हो जाता है, ये हो जाता, बस चालू हो गया. पोस्ट कोविड में भी डरना नहीं है. Let us equip ourselves, rethink, revamp and rebuild almost every sector. Economy, transport, tourism, power, energy sector, education, agriculture, medical profession, anything and everything you name, catering business, hospitality, क्या कुछ भी बोल दो आप, उसको कोविड का जबरदस्त असर है पोस्ट कोविड. So we need to see, we need to plan, we need to commit in the light of, with the perspective of post covid challenges. मार्च 2020 के पहले सब अलग था. मेरा पीपीटी यहीं पे खत्म हो गया रहता और मैंने और सब कुछ बताया रहता. लेकिन बिकॉज वी आर नाउ टॉकिंग आफ्टर मार्च 2020, सो ये वाला फंडा आ गया इसके अंदर पोस्ट कोविड. इसी में सब रुक जाता है. मैं तो घर में बैठा हूँ, मेरा तो कोर्स ही नहीं हो रहा, मेरा तो कॉलेज बंद है, मेरा तो दिस दैट. दिस इज नॉट डन. सो रीथिंक, रिवैम्प एंड रीबिल्ड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सेक्टर. सो ग्रीन सेक्टर्स, ग्रीन स्किल्स, ग्रीन इंजीनियरिंग एंड ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज विल ऑल्सो हैव अ मेजर इम्पैक्ट ऑफ पोस्ट कोविड. The main important factors, dear students, please mind well, please remember agility, digital transformation and work from home culture. कुछ भी चीज आप सीख रहे हो, कुछ भी नया टेक्नोलॉजी ला रहे हो, कुछ भी नया स्किल कर रहे हो, कुछ भी नया पढ़ रहे हो, लिख रहे हो, धंधा कर रहे हो, नौकरी कर रहे हो, नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हो, बिजनेस प्रपोजल ढूंढ रहे हो, आपको ये 3 चीज में अगर वो नहीं बैठ रहा है तो इट विल नेवर वर्क. एजिलिटी, डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द एंटायर प्रोसेस। जो भी आप कर रहे हो ना वो डिजिटल हो सकता है क्या? देखो, हम टीचिंग लर्निंग कर रहे थे कॉलेज में बैठ के, कहाँ कंप्यूटर था? बोर्ड पे हम पढ़ाते थे और आप बच्चे डेस्क बेंच पे बैठ के पेपर पेंसिल पे लिखते थे। हम लोग चौक, डस्टर और ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज करते थे, आप लोग पेन, पेंसिल और वो यूज करते थे। आज सब गायब हो गया, लोकेशन तक चेंज हो गया है, बिकॉज वी कुड ट्रांसफॉर्म टीचिंग लर्निंग ऑन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म। Agility is quick actions. You have something new cropped up, suddenly new thing popped up, which looks so difficult. Immediately you need to plan, execute, give instructions, and make it successful. Is something we call it agile. Agile education, agile technologies, agile softwares, agile programming. Agility is to adopt, understand, plan, and execute. So we need to be very smart in doing these things. अगर ये सब नहीं कर पा रहे तो आपका सारा पर्पज ही किल हो जाएगा। आप फील्ड में जो भी जाइए, आप ग्रीन में भी नहीं जाइए, जो भी जाइए। पर दोस्तों, मैं मेरे मतलब विद्यार्थी मित्रों, वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर में बैठ रहा तो होने वाला है। आप पिज्जा की दुकान खोल दो, चलेगी क्या बाहर? आज भी नहीं चल रही। आप पिज्जा घर में बनाओ, छोटे से किचन में बनाओ और होम डिलीवरी करो, तब चलने वाला है। सो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर को जो सूट करता है, पीपल, प्रोसेस, प्रोडक्ट, सर्विसेज, वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो रहा है क्या? और वो डिजिटली अवेलेबल है क्या? आपने घर में एक सिंपल एक खाने का बिजनेस खोल दिया, पर वो जब तक उसका डिजिटलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ, मतलब आपकी ऑर्डर्स गूगल पे नहीं हो रही है, आपका व्हाट्सएप पे मेनू नहीं जा रहा है, आपकी ऑर्डर्स जोमेटो और इस पे नहीं जा रही, जब तक आपका छोटा सा खाने का मेस भी है बच्चों का, वो जब तक डिजिटलाइज नहीं हो रहा और वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा, तब तक वो बिजनेस नहीं चलने वाला। आज नहीं और आज से 2 साल 3 साल भी नहीं चलने वाला। लोगों को आदत पड़ गई है। सो बी एजाइल, क्विक चेंजेस, लीडरशिप मैटर्स इन सच दिस थिंग्स, क्विक चेंजेस एंड अडॉप्ट, एंड अ कंप्लीट सिस्टम हैज टू बी एजाइल। चेंजेस आ गए, इंप्लीमेंट करो, इंस्ट्रक्शंस दो, पार्टनर इकोसिस्टम, कस्टमर एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड एम्प्लॉयज एंड एम्प्लॉयर्स, सबको इमीडिएट एम्प्लॉय करना है। गोइंग डिजिटल, टेक्नोलॉजी एडॉप्शन, बिजनेस मॉडल हैज चेंज्ड, एवरी बिजनेस मॉडल हैज चेंज्ड, एवरीबडी इज मेकिंग कॉल्स। सर हमारे पास ये मिलता है, सर आमच्याकडे लोणचं मिळतं आहे, आमच्याकडे पापड़ मिळता है, बड़े बड़े होटल्स, बड़े बड़े रेस्टोरेंट्स के फोन आ रहे, सर हमने चूड़ा बनाना चालू किया है, सर हमने शेव बनाना चालू किया। आई मीन आई कांट इमेजिन, दे हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट पीपल नीड। सर एकदम नीट एंड क्लीन है, हाइजीन है। सर कौन बोलता था कैसे कैसे ढाबे पे लोग खाते थे, कैसे कैसे सावजी नागपुर में हैवॉक, गंदगी का मतलब हैवॉक। ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट में कभी कोई बोलता भी था क्या कि सर हमारा ना पूरा नीट क्लीन रहता है? कभी बोला किसी ने? सर अब तक हाइजीनिक है किचन हमारा ना, एकदम चकाचक है, देख के आओ। ऐसे कोई ढाबे वाले ने बोला? आज हर कोई बोल रहा है। बोल ही नहीं रहा, आपको व्हाट्सएप भी आ रहा है, आपको मैसेज भी कर रहा है, आपको फोन भी कर रहा है, आपको वो मेनू के फोटोज भी भेज रहा है। गोइंग डिजिटल इज, इसका कोई उपाय नहीं, अब करना ही पड़ेगा। आप जो बिजनेस जाइए, जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जाइए, जो एम्प्लॉयर बनिए, एजिलिटी, गोइंग डिजिटल एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर जब तक नहीं करोगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता। ये पास था हमारा 9 to 5, और अब फ्यूचर नहीं बोलना है, अभी करंट ही है। पहले हम 9 से 5 काम करते थे, अब वर्क एनी टाइम। Earlier we used to work from our corporate office, colleges, schools, office. We are working from home. We are working from anywhere rather. Why working from home? We are working from anywhere. You had been to vacation to Himalaya में vacation जाके बैठ जाओ, 1 महीना भर कहीं गेस्ट हाउस ले लो, वहीं से काम करो। There will not be any change into the performance of the processes, procedure. Teaching learning है, चालू है। टीचर कहाँ बैठा है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। स्टूडेंट नागपुर में बैठा है, कामठी में बैठा है, चंद्रपुर, वर्धा, गोंदिया की गढ़चिरौली में बैठा है, हमको कोई मतलब ही नहीं आता, क्योंकि मेरे को तो मेरे गूगल क्लासरूम में सारे बच्चे दिख रहे। सो थिंग्स हैव चेंज, द इक्विपमेंट्स हैव चेंज, द फोकस इनपुट्स हैव चेंज, द लैडर हैज चेंज, एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग हैज चेंज नाउ। दिस इज द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉय, सेम इज द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर्स। So important. This is something so important. So dear students, dear teachers, please understand, yes, I know it's our responsibility to conserve ecosystem. Jannat has written a long comment, let me read it. So I think if government takes strict action on this and makes some strict rules for ecosystem conservation, people will follow the, yes, I fully Atufa Ajlum, use products that are environment favorable. Disha says reduce emission of carbon dioxide. Meenal says avoid deforestation. Nivedita says save electricity. Great, people are writing. Now I want you, somebody, to switch on your mic and read my screen, because this is very important screen. इसी में बहुत लोगों को problem हो रहा है. Anybody, tell your name. फटाक से 1 मिनट में करिए. Anybody can read. Switch on his mic, her mic. बच्चों में से कोई भी. Can anybody switch on the mic? Fast. इतने लोगों ने यहाँ चैट में लिखा है, उसको बस पढ़ना है मेरे स्क्रीन पे जो दिख रहा है. Can you see the screen? Any student, come on, fast. It's an opportunity that people will listen you. आप मेरे को सुन रहे तब से, मेरे को आपको सुनना है अभी. Anybody?
Yes, students, come on.
Anybody can switch on the mic यार. तब से
yes sir.
Mute करके.
Sir, I'm Devashish Kulambe.
देवाशीष, yes, देवाशीष. Fear zone वाला पढ़ो तो, पीला वाला पढ़ते आ रहा है तुमको?
Yes sir. Grab food, toilet paper and medication that I don't need.
हाँ.
I spread emotions related to fear and anger.
Correct.
I complain frequently. I forward all messages I receive. I get mad easily.
देखो ये वाली कैटेगरी जो है ना, बस फियर जोन में देखो, ये पागल लोग हैं पूरे. ऐसा हमको किसी को नहीं बनना है. आई फॉरवर्ड ऑल मैसेजेस आई रिसीव. इसके लिए बैठे क्या यार, हम पढ़े लिखे किस लिए? आई गेट मैड इजीली. आई स्प्रेड इमोशन. कौन सी? फियर और एंगर. देवाशीष, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. बट देखो, आपने देखे ऐसे लोग आपके आजू बाजू में जो बस कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं? मोदी को गाली दो, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को दो, सीएम को गाली दो, फिर नागपुर कमिश्नर को गाली दो, फिर कलेक्टर को गाली दो, ये ऐसा वो वैसा वो वैसा. अबे तू क्या कर रहा है? और दुनिया भर की फियर और एंगर को प्रोड्यूस करते रहते और इधर उधर फैलाते रहते. तो इन लोगों से दूर रहिए और आप भी ऐसे फियर जोन में ना रहें. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये पैंडेमिक में सब कुछ परफॉर्मेंस सबके डाउन हो गए और कुछ लोगों के बहुत इंप्रूव भी हो गए. थैंक यू देवाशीष. एनीबडी एल्स टू वांट टू रीड द लास्ट कॉलम, लाइट ग्रीन कॉलम?
यस सर.
कौन? नाम बोलो.
आदित्य गजबी.
आदित्य. तो आपकी ये सेम
I think of others and see how to help them.
Correct.
I make my talent available to those who need them.
Yes.
I live in the present and focus on the future.
Yes.
I am empathetic with myself and with others.
Correct.
I think and appreciate others. I keep a happy emotional state and spread hope. I look for a way to adapt to new changes.
Yes.
I practice quietude, patience, relationships and creativity.
बिल्कुल. थैंक यू सो मच आदित्य. कितना सही बोला है. देखो, आपने डर और गुस्सा फैलाना है कि प्यार, मोहब्बत और आशाएं फैलानी है. यू नीड टू स्प्रेड होप. यू नीड टू. अरे चले जाएगा यार. 100 केस है नागपुर में भी, और रूरल में तो और कम हो गई है. 40 केस थी कल. सब ठीक होने वाला है यार. काम करते, चलो पढ़ते कुछ तो भी. मस्त. कितना समय मिल गया हमारे पास. 4 घंटे कॉलेज होता है, बाकी पूरा टाइम खाली पड़े. चलो यूट्यूब पे कुछ पढ़ लेते यार. माई टैलेंट, आई मेक माई टैलेंट अवेलेबल टू दोज हु नीड देम. ना कि मैं कुछ भी आया वाला फॉरवर्ड करते बैठू, दिन भर व्हाट्सएप पे बैठू, फेसबुक पे इधर उधर शेयर करते बैठू. ये गलत काम करना बहुत गलत है. थैंक यू सो मच बोथ द बॉयज. माई बेस्ट विशेस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स टू यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, सो फियर जोन से निकल के हमको ग्रोथ जोन में जाना है. बीच में एक लर्निंग जोन में भी रह गए तो चलेगा, बट ग्रोथ जोन ये मौका है. ये ग्रोथ का मौका है. इतना समय है हमारे पास. लैपटॉप घर में, मोबाइल आपके पास, जो भी होगा, एक इंटरनेट सोर्स है. आप चमत्कार कर सकते हैं. आपका करियर इतना जंप कर सकता है जिसकी कोई हद ही नहीं है. तो ट्रिमेंडस होप्स पैदा करिए. ट्रिमेंडस. हमेशा खुश रहो यार. मजा आ रहा है. कितना मस्त. घर बैठे बैठे ब्रश करने के पहले क्लासेस शुरू हो जाती है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड डेटा इज गोइंग टू रूल. बिग डेटा, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, मशीन लर्निंग, ये सब चीज मार्केट में आने वाली है. आप जो भी करोगे ना, इसके मदद से, इसके अंतर्गत, इसके फेवर में अगर करोगे तो ही आपका बिजनेस चलने वाला है. कौन सी मार्केट में बेस्ट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखने वाली है अभी? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, हेल्थ केयर, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, ई कॉमर्स, कंटेंट राइटिंग. यस. देखो दिन भर वो क्या था अपना टिकटॉक बंद हो गया तो अभी रील्स आ गई. नॉन स्टॉप रील्स चालू है पागल समान. 10-20 सेकंड में करोड़ों लोग पैसा भी कमा रहे हैं. 1 लाख 2 लाख तो व्यूज हो जाते बच्चों के. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, माई ओन स्टूडेंट टीचर स्टार्ट अर्निंग योर ब्रेड. inculcate and enhance नर्चर योर पैशन, योर ड्रीम्स, योर हॉबीज। मौका है अभी। अगर आप कीबोर्ड भी अच्छा बजाते हो, मेरा एक दोस्त है कीबोर्ड बजाता है, स्टूडेंट है मेरा, एंड उसने शाम को बैठे बैठे उसकी कीबोर्ड की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू कर दी। उसके पास अमेरिका के स्टूडेंट है, कनाडा के एक 75 साल के मियाँ बीवी उसके स्टूडेंट है, अच्छा पैसा दे रहे उसको। और क्या मंडे टू थर्सडे वो तो ऑनलाइन ऑटोमेटिक एजुकेशन है, सिर्फ फ्राइडे सैटरडे को वो फेस टू फेस आता है और अच्छा पैसा कमा रहा है दोस्तों। सो ऑनलाइन आपको तबला आता है ना, तबला सिखाइए। छोटी छोटी 9वीं की लड़की चेस पढ़ाती है घर में बैठ के और लाखों रुपए कमा रही है। तो जमाना कंटेंट राइटिंग का है, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का है, ऑनलाइन ट्रीटमेंट का है, ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग का है, ऑनलाइन कॉम्पिटिशन्स का है, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है बाबा। और ये सब ऑनलाइन जब करना पड़ता है ना, तो उसके कंटेंट बहुत अच्छे लिखने पड़ते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग अट्रैक्ट होना चाहिए। सो कंटेंट राइटिंग, सिंपल फेसबुक पोस्ट भी डालना है, सिंपल इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट डालना है, उसका कंटेंट राइटिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। स्टार्ट ई कॉमर्स। घर में आपकी मम्मी भी अच्छा कुछ बनाती है ना, अगर आपने उसको अच्छा उठा लिया मोबाइल के थ्रू, तो ई कॉमर्स में आपका एक कंट्रीब्यूशन हो जाता है। तो ई कॉमर्स, कंटेंट राइटिंग, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, लॉजिस्टिक्स, रोबोटिक्स, सब कुछ है। और अगर आप छोटा मोटा कुछ बिजनेस शुरू करना करते हैं, तुरंत शुरू कर लीजिए। बहुत समय है दोस्तों, स्टूडेंट्स को बोल रहा हूँ मैं खास करके, बेटा एक इंडिया में है पागलपन, ब्रिटिशों ने, अंग्रेजों ने हमारे मत्थे मार दिए कि एक ग्रेजुएशन तक डिग्री करना और पागल समान जॉब ढूंढना, चपरासी बन जाना, बाबू बन जाना, इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बनने के भी बाबू बन जाते लोग। ये 70 साल से हम भुगत रहे, क्योंकि एक बाबू बनाने की, एक लो एम लो क्राइम करने की एक माइंडसेट देके हमको अंग्रेज चले गए। दुनिया में किसी भी कंट्री में जाइए, 10वीं तक सिर्फ माँ बाप पढ़ाते, 11वीं से बच्चा खुद कमाता, खुद पढ़ाता है, रास्ते पे काम करेगा चाहे कोई। हमारे ही बच्चे, मैं अभी एडिनब्रा में था लास्ट ईयर, कुछ मेरे स्वेटर्स खरीदने गया, जैकेट खरीदने गया, वो साउथ इंडियन लड़कियां थी दोनों। आई सेड, शी सेड, सर यू आर फ्रॉम इंडिया? आई सेड यस। सर मैं यहाँ MBA कर रही हूँ, सर मैं यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट कोर्स कर रही हूँ, सर मैं यहाँ पे फूड टेक्नोलॉजी कर रही हूँ, और शाम को 3 घंटा स्वेटर की दुकान में सेल्स गर्ल का काम कर रही, पेट्रोल पंप पे अपने बच्चे काम करते, फूड में कर रहे, वेटर्स में कर रहे, लाइब्रेरीज में कर रहे। एक इंडिया में एक शर्म नाम की बात है। सो बच्चों, आज ही सोचिए, आप शाम को 2 घंटे का दोस्तों के साथ चकलस करने से अच्छा आपको गिटार आता था ना, गिटार क्लास शुरू करें। अरे 3 बच्चे मिल जाएंगे, 1000 रुपए लेना, 3000 रुपए भी महीने मिलता, बहुत बड़ी बात है आपकी। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोबेबल बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर ह्यूज इन पैंडेमिक। जो कुछ ऑनलाइन जम गया ना, होममेड प्रोडक्ट आप खुद बनाओ यार, कुछ तो भी अपने दोस्तों में बांट दो, आप 5-10 हजार का बिजनेस कर लोगे। वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर को जो भी प्रमोट कर सकता है करिए, यू विल हैव एन अमेजिंग। एंड दिस बिजनेस, आई ऑलवेज टेल दैट दिस बिजनेस हैज टू बी ऑलवेज सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। कुछ इनोवेशन लाइए दुनिया में, कुछ नया सोचिए और उसको सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करिए। आप जो भी करेंगे उसमें प्लास्टिक ना यूज करना, आपका सोशल को, आपने कॉज को मदद कर दिया। उसमें आपने वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे, आपने सोसाइटी को मदद कर दिया, आपने एनवायरनमेंट को मदद कर दी। इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग हैजार्डस थिंग्स, गुड। अगर आपका जो बचा वाला चीज है वो अगर आप अच्छी से डिग्रेडेबल है और वो अच्छी से उसकी सोल्यूशन निकाल रहे हो, तो आप एनवायरनमेंट को मदद कर रहे हैं। तो बिजनेस भी ऐसा करिए दोस्तों जिसमें एनवायरनमेंट को धोखा ना हो। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, डियर टीचर्स, आई एम आस्किंग यू, ऑल ऑफ यू, दैट लेट अस कमिट आवरसेल्फ। इतना ताकत से, इतना मेहनत से एजुकेशन भी करिए, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एजुकेशन पढ़िए, ग्रीन स्किल्स अडॉप्ट कीजिए, ग्रीन एजुकेशन लीजिए, ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज को समझिए, उस पर कुछ बिजनेस कर सकते तो करिए, कंसल्टेंट बन जाइए, लोगों के गार्डन मेंटेन कर दीजिए। कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता। मेरे यहाँ का माली है, हर रोज भागते रहता, हफ्ते में 1 दिन आता और 4 छुट्टी निकालता है। ये तो धंधा है। इफ यू आर मास्टर इनटू ग्रीन, यू इनटू गार्डनिंग, अगर आपकी हॉबी भी है ना दोस्तों गार्डनिंग, तो लोगों के 4 गार्डन का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ले लीजिए। मेरे खुद का क्लासमेट था, व्हेन आई वाज इन ग्रेजुएशन, 86 की बात है, उसको गार्डन का शौक था, घर में बहुत छोटा गार्डन था। उसको 2-4 दोस्तों ने हमने बोले यार उनके यहाँ बड़ा गार्डन है, वहाँ काम करते जा। बोले हाँ करता हूँ। आज वो नागपुर में बहुत बड़ा गार्डनिंग का कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है। हैदराबाद, बॉम्बे, दिल्ली में उसके गार्डन मेंटेनेंस से करोड़ों रुपए कमा रहा है। सो बिजनेस कैन कम आउट फ्रॉम योर पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस इनटू योर हॉबी। हॉबी है, हॉबी का पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस करिए, बिजनेस के साथ शाम को काम करिए, पैसा कमाइए। बहुत पैसा कमाना चाहिए, मैं पैसे के अगेंस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ। यू नीड लॉट ऑफ मनी। यू वांट योर किड्स टू लर्न into the world class universities. You want your parents after retirement should buy a car and a driver, chauffeur driven car, उनको पैसा दिलाइए। बहुत पैसा कमाना है, लेकिन उसको एनवायरनमेंट को कंजर्व करते करते काम करना है। अगर ये सब हम कर रहे हैं तो आज का दिन हमारा वसूल हो जाएगा। वर्क फ्रॉम होम, टेली हेल्थ फैसिलिटेटर, बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, चीफ पर्पस प्लानर, चीफ हाइजीन कंसल्टेंट, ये सब जॉब्स नए नए आ रहे हैं। ये स्किल्स बहुत आसान है, इसके कोर्सेस अवेलेबल है। क्लीन हाइजीन कंसल्टेंट, वर्चुअल इवेंट प्लानर, देखो कितना, ये अभी इवेंट वर्चुअल चालू है, प्लान लगता है इसके लिए भी, इसका पोस्टर बना, इसके गूगल लिंक बनी, इसकी रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक बनी, इसके गूगल फॉर्म्स बने, उसके रजिस्ट्रेशन बने, उसका व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना, कितना सारा करना पड़ा। इसी को वर्चुअल इवेंट प्लानर बोलते हैं। पहले हम स्टेज डेकोरेट करते थे, कुर्सियां लगाते थे, मंडप डालते थे, नीचे कारपेट डालते थे, फूल देते थे, उसकी जगह पे चीजें बदल गई। गूगल लिंक बनाया अभी हमने, अभी इसको रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, इसको पोस्ट करेंगे, इसको यूट्यूब पे डालेंगे, हमारे पास ये काम आ गया दोस्तों अभी। सो वर्चुअल इवेंट प्लानिंग में अगर आप मास्टर बन जाओ, हर किसी को नहीं जम रहा है। सोशली डिस्टेंस्ड ऑफिस डिजाइन करना, इट्स अमेजिंग बिजनेस नाउ। सो पोस्ट कोविड इट इज अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज है, बहुत जम के पैसा कमा सकते हो अभी। और दोस्तों दुनिया अभी स्किल्स ओवर डिग्री पे जा रही है। क्या जा रही है? स्किल्स आर मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन डिग्रीज। यू कैन से आई एम MSc बायोकेमिस्ट्री, आपको 2 क्वेश्चन पूछा तो आता नहीं, कोई फायदा नहीं। आप बोलिए मैं सेकंड ईयर ड्रॉप आउट हूँ BE का, मैं सेकंड ईयर ड्रॉप आउट हूँ BSc CBZ का, बट आई एम एक्सपर्ट इन दिस, तो आपको कंपनी हायर कर लेगी। कंपनी लाइक गूगल, एप्पल, पेंगुइन, अर्नेस्ट यंग, IBM, दुनिया की टॉप वर्ल्ड क्लास कंपनीज आज भी बोल रही है कि हमको वो मार्कशीट देख के हम आपको हायर करेंगे नहीं, आपको हमारी स्किल्स आती क्या, आपके पास, हमको, मेरे को ये आना, बस मेरे को पाइथन में मास्टर होना, गूगल आपको हायर कर लेगा। आप सेकंड ईयर फेल रहे, BSc रहे, BCom रहे या 12वीं फेल रहे, इट विल नॉट मैटर, आई टेल यू। स्किल्स आर ओवर डिग्री। सो स्किल्स एंड स्किल्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, हार्ड स्किल्स, टेक्निकल स्किल्स, सॉफ्टवेयर स्किल्स, स्किल्स के बिना कुछ नहीं होने वाला। शिफ्ट फोकस फ्रॉम डिग्री टू स्किल। पागल समान डिग्री में मेरे को 9 पॉइंटर मिल गया, 8 पॉइंटर मिल गया, कोई 9 पॉइंटर को कोई नौकरी नहीं मिलने वाली जब तक आपको कुछ आता, सही में आता नहीं है। आपको वो चीज आनी चाहिए जो कंपनी के काम में है। सो एक्वायर ऑल दी स्किल्स, acquire all these green technologies, find out your part-time hobbies, convert part-time hobbies into part-time professions, part-time profession into part-time earning। उस part-time earning का पता चला आपने बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस कर लिया होगा आगे। सो ये सारे ऑप्शंस मैंने आपको आज दे दिए। इन सबको ऑप्शंस को ऑपरेट करते हुए लेट अस कमिट। I request all teachers who are attending here, let us commit to conduct awareness programs, trainings, mentoring, inspiring, hand-holding and equipping our students for all new challenges। मैं तो कमिटेड हूँ, मेरी PIT, मेरा EGA टीम कमिटेड है कि हम लोग 10,000 नहीं 50,000 बच्चों को अगले 1-2 साल में हम अवेयरनेस को पहुंचा देंगे। ऐसे अच्छे प्रोग्राम पहुंचा देंगे, ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू, मेंटरिंग के थ्रू, इंस्पायरिंग के थ्रू, कुछ उनको मदद करके डायरेक्ट हैंड होल्ड करके जाएंगे, कुछ उनको डायरेक्ट मदद करेंगे, किसी को कॉलेज में बुलाएंगे, किसी कॉलेज में हम जाएंगे। लेकिन वी आर कमिटेड एज अ टीचर्स। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट अ कमिटमेंट फ्रॉम यू आल्सो। कीप लर्निंग, कीप अपडेटिंग, कीप सोशलाइजिंग, कीप एनहांसिंग योर क्यूरियोसिटीज। किसी ने बोला ये हरा है, होगा हरा, उसने बोला इसलिए है, नहीं, क्यों है, कैसे है, क्या है, व्हाई, व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर, व्हाई, हाउ। एवरी वन ऑफ यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर यूनिक, यू आर अमेजिंग, यू आर आउटस्टैंडिंग। कोई ऊपर वाले ने कोई कचरा नहीं फेंक दिया नीचे जमीन पे कि रेंगो कीड़े समान और मर जाओ, नहीं दोस्तों, दिस इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट। स्टूडेंट, लेट अस कमिट टू कीप लर्न, कीप अपडेटिंग, कीप सोशलाइजिंग। कोई सोशलाइजिंग कोई खराब चीज नहीं होती, जब तक आपको हजारों दोस्त नहीं रहेंगे आप बिजनेस नहीं कर पाओगे। एनहांस क्यूरियोसिटीज, uplift the society, keep motivating each other and spread positivity, spread hope। ये नहीं ये फालतू के निगेटिव भेज दिया, वहां मर गए 50, यहाँ ये हो गया, यहाँ ये लफड़ा हो गया, कुछ तो मारामारी हो गई, ये बिजनेस डूब गया, ऐसे कुछ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज आपको आते होंगे तो वहीं के वहीं डिलीट कर डालिए, या उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी देखिए कि सही में इसकी जरूरत थी क्या, मेरे को ये मैसेज मिल गया, मेरा कुछ भला हुआ क्या, नहीं हुआ तो डोंट स्प्रेड इट। I got 25 lakhs rupees for only spreading the awareness about fake news, fake post on WhatsApp, Facebook and all social medias। ये फेक काम से दूर रहिए दोस्तों, और एक कमिटमेंट के साथ keep learning, keep updating and tell yourself you are unique, you are special। लिखिए एक बार चैट में, आखिरी का फटाफट लिख दीजिए, this is my last thing, I want everyone to write down few important things that you are unique। आप में दम है, मैं तो करके रहूंगा। So write down I am unique। एक बार ऐसा लिखने से ना बहुत मजा आता है, एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस आता है। देखो मैं लिखता हूँ आई एम यूनिक, आप लिखिए चैट बॉक्स में, आप, मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ एक बार लिखिए आई एम यूनिक, आई एम स्पेशल, आई एम कमिटेड, आई विल लर्न, आई विल चेंज। बदलावी जिंदगी है दोस्तों, बदलावी जिंदगी। अगर हम बदलना नहीं चाहते, हम वही पुराने माइंडसेट में बैठे तो कुछ नहीं होता। तो आज से कमिट करिए कि कोई ना कोई स्किल, कोई ना कोई प्रोफेशन को हम साथ में लेके चलेंगे, उसको ग्रूम करेंगे। आई एम यूनिक एंड आई विल चेंज दिस सिचुएशन। यस, आई एम यूनिक, आई एम ब्लेस्ड। लिखो, आई एम ब्लेस्ड। यार ऊपर वाले का सब पे आशीर्वाद है। आई एम ब्लेस्ड, आई एम यू नो, आई एम सोशल, आई एम ब्लेस्ड, आई एम हेल्पफुल, आई एम स्पेशल, आई एम यूनिक, आई एम कमिटेड, आई एम। मैं अपने आप को इतना कमजोर मत कर डालो। बच्चे बहुत आजकल इसको उसको डिप्रेशन हो गया, उसको फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो गया, उसका बीमार पड़ गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया। सॉरी, you are students, I can't tolerate my students ऐसे रोते वाले. So commit yourself and thank you so much. Keep yourself motivated, keep positive, spread hope and positivity. Go green. Keep your antennas on that you, whether your act, your business, your job, your employment, your employership is not harming environment. Thank you so much. I'm available on all social media, dear students and teachers. I'll be happy to receive any suggestions, feedback, anything on my email vivekmnanoti@gmail.com. I'm available on my WhatsApp on 9822233286 for any suggestions. I am always on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can share and subscribe my YouTube channel also. You will get 178 such videos on my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much. Over to coordinator.
Thank you, sir. It's a great pleasure to learn from you about green skills and their importance in every aspect of our life, 24/7. Thank you very much, sir. Now, I call upon Dr. Ragini Chahande, ma'am, Head Department of Biochemistry, SKP Porwal College, Kamptee, to give formal word of thanks.
Thank you, Swapna. Good afternoon, one and all. I am Dr. Ragini Chahande. On the behalf of St. Kesrimal Porwal College, Kamptee, extend a hearty vote of thanks on this special occasion. 5th June is World Environment Day, celebrated around the world to encourage awareness about protecting of environment. I congratulate all of you for celebrating this day and spreading awareness among the students about their own environment. The day reminds us that we must take good care of our surrounding, and let us make a promise to make our planet a greener and healthier place for us to live and enjoy life. On this occasion, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver formal vote of thanks to all dignitaries assembled in this virtual platform. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Vivek Nanoti, sir, today's expert speaker, who is also the principal of Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, for his wonderful interactive talk on green technologies and skill. Sir, your talk was so knowledgeable and the way of through is so easy that students can easily understand. I'm sure all the students would be liked it and would be benefited. My sincere thanks are also due to our principal, Dr. M.B. Bagre, sir, who always motivate us and encourage us for organizing such type of programs. My thanks are also to our Vice Principal, Dr. Renu Tiwari, as she is present throughout the session. I would like to thank the program coordinator of EGA, Dr. Manju Soni, as she given us a chance, and to our students for the participation in various online competitions. I'm also thankful to Dr. Kopulwar and Mrs. Swapna Ghatore for smooth conduction of this program. Thanks are also to Shalini, as she has taken initiative for organizing this event in a short period of time. I extend my thanks to all faculty members of Priyadarshini College and SK Porwal College who were present throughout the session. Last but not the least, I'm thankful to all the students, student participants who has taken part in the competitions. I also congratulate the winners in advance. Thanks to all once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you want to talk something?
I just want to thank Ragini ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody. Now, we will be again meeting at 1 p.m. All the students who have participated in poster competition, essay competition, slogan making competition, and PowerPoint presentation competition. With the due respect and with the permission of chair, I say that the program is completed now and we'll be meeting at 1 p.m. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best
Thank
to
you.
all of you. Best wishes for the event. Thank you.
Thank you.
शालिनी लिंक सेम आहे का? नेक्स्ट
नहीं,
रिक्वेस्ट हाँ
No, no.
स्वप्ना मैडम
Yes, ma'am.
लिंक फिर से भेजेंगे क्या?
Ma'am, yes.